أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته Manasik Hajj Step-by-Step. The Hajj pilgrimage consists of several rituals that pilgrims perform in a specific order. Here is a concise step-by-step guide to the Manasik Hajj. Ihram. Enter into the state of Ihram by purifying yourself and wearing the prescribed attire, which includes two seamless white sheets for men and modest clothing for women. Talbiya. Begin reciting the Talbiya, a prayer that pilgrims repeat frequently throughout the journey. Tawaf al-Qudum. Upon reaching the Masjid al-Haram in Makkah, perform Tawaf al-Qudum, also known as the arrival Tawaf, by circling the Kaaba 7 times. Sa'i. Proceed to perform Sa'i, which involves walking 7 times between the hills of Safa and Marwa, following the footsteps of Bibi Hajra, the wife of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. Stay in Mina, leave for Mina and spend the night there to prepare for the following day's activities. Arafat. Depart for Arafat before noon on the 9th day of Zulhijjah and engage in prayers and supplication, staying until sunset. Muzdalifah. After sunset, move to Muzdalifah and offer the combined Maghrib and Isha prayers. Collect pebbles for the next ritual. Stoning of the Jamarat on the 10th, 11th and 12th day of Zulhijjah. Perform the stoning of the Jamarat. This involves throwing 7 pebbles at each of the 3 pillars representing Satan's temptation. Animal sacrifice. Sacrifice an animal such as a sheep or goat as an act of represents of Prophet Ibrahim's willingness to sacrifice his son. This can be done individually or through a trusted Hajj service provider. Shaving or trimming hair. Men should shave their heads or trim their hair, while women should only cut a small portion of their hair to symbolize the completion of Hajj. Tawaf al-Wida. Perform the farewell Tawaf by circling the Kaaba one last time before leaving Makkah. These are the essential steps of the Hajj pilgrimage. It's important to note the Hajj rituals may vary slightly depending on the specific instructions from Islamic authorities and any update in the future.